Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and it is very interesting to see, of course, the numbers of Windows 10 versus Windows 11. We are in very interesting times when you look at how all of that is going right now. For sure, we never had an operating system that still was so high, so close to the end in market share, and this will create a distortion. It will create a problem with Microsoft in the next year, because we're about a year away now. So a company decided to do a little survey among Windows 10 users, and that survey seems to point out that Microsoft will still be in an unusual position, because at the question that was asked is, end of support is a year away, and you will have the option of extended support, paid support for 3 years, or buy a new PC. Well, it seems that there's a pretty high number of Windows 10 users that say, I don't want a new PC, nor do I want Windows 11. I will pay for extended support of Windows 10. So Microsoft might end up having a lot of people paying for updates. And it's going to be very interesting also to see how much they will charge for this. Of course, we talked about the fact that there is also another service called Zero Patch that can be used. But it shows one thing, and it's that people don't want change. People, if Windows 10 would be a, eternally supported operating system, people would be perfectly happy just using that. And, users just want to do what they want. They don't care much about any features, any changes. What they want is a PC that they are accustomed to. They are using it the way they want. They have the software they like, and they don't want to have any change to that. They just want to turn it on every day, and it's exactly the same as yesterday to do the exactly same tasks you want to do every day. This is going to be an interesting one for the percentage. How many millions of people are going to pay for extended support? That is going to be really interesting. It's still a debate on how high Windows 10 will still be in a year from now. But it's hard to believe that it's still not going to be at least at, I find it almost close to 40% at least. I do think it will be below 50, but I still think it will be quite high. So the question for you guys, end of support, paid updates, or new PC? What will you do? If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.